In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make a drop-down title clickable in Squarespace. Firstly, we would need to navigate to the Squarespace website. You can easily do this by typing Squarespace in your search engine and clicking on the relevant search result. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next step would be to examine the web page for a tab that reads Pages, usually found in the menu options. Go ahead and click on Pages, which is located in the corner on the left side of your screen. Once you have clicked on Pages, this is where we start setting up the drop-down option. Within the main navigation area, you'll see a symbol that resembles a plus. Click on this plus icon to proceed. Having clicked on the plus icon, this leads to several new options. From these multiple options, select the one that says Drop-Down. Now you have the freedom to name your drop-down option as per your wish. It could be any name or title that is relevant to the content it will lead to. Type in the desired name and then proceed by clicking on ADD Page. At this point, you have added a main page for your drop-down. To make it comprehensive, we should add a subpage as well. To do this, follow the same steps as we did before. After the pages are in place, we need to add a custom code to make the drop-down title clickable. Locate and click on the menu option that says Custom Code. You would need to scroll through the menu options to find this. An alternate way to find it is by using the search menu function. Just type in Custom Code and it will appear. On selecting Custom Code, another expanded menu of options will appear. Proceed by selecting the one that reads Code Injection. Remember, this is where we are going to paste the custom code to create our clickable drop-down title. Finally, the last step involves pasting your code into the footer. This is the custom code that will work behind the scenes to make your drop-down title clickable in Squarespace. After pasting the code, remember to save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully made your drop-down title clickable on Squarespace. This tool will significantly enhance the navigation experience for your website visitors, make it more interactive and user-friendly.